Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. There's some kind of big project ahead. Right lane closed, merge left. Now this is sort of like the pipeline stuff. So this is the junction with the east side of the bypass. This is my neighborhood, so to speak. You'll see what's happening. It's something they've kind of been working on lately. I don't actually understand what it is they're doing, because I thought it had all been done when they finished up the recent pipeline work. So this is, and I'm careful to come through here without speeding, because this is a terrible accident intersection right here. So the warning was way ahead. Now coming up after these little trees here on the right, there's been recent work. This has to do with the pipeline, and it's a metering and pumping station. Now there's a sign here. There's nobody in it. They put a piece right lane closed ahead. Now they're worried about the way people drive along here. And from what I've seen, and because I live here, I agree with them. So we can see a flashing arrow, and we can see that they put that sign there 2 days ago in preparation. I don't know what the cones at my corner are for yet. They haven't come back and dug more holes. I got somebody passing me, and then there's nobody behind me. Right lane closed, so I'm going to go left. There's somebody there with a hat on, but who knows. Follow the arrows. Be careful. Watch out, don't run over people's toes. So now they've just progressed along to yet this other entrance road here, and they're doing something to do with drains under the intersection of the side roads, and that's it. And they put, I don't know what they're doing. This field on the right has been cleared and it's got activity. Presumably something will get built there. I want to show you something else. Hang on with me a little bit longer, just a little bit longer. We got to get past the intersection. I want to show you something that I think is an indicator of the economy, aside from all the increased truck traffic along 64. Now coming up on the right is a mobile home around prefab homes, but this next one has to do with metal roofs. And when they started, they built one factory building. You can't see it, but back there they built another one, and they're completing this one. It's like 150% increase in square footage between two buildings. I say the economy is good. Somebody's weed whacking his fence. Steve AB4L. It's boring, I know that, but I'm watching. Are the indicators good for the economy or bad? And everything I'm seeing is good, at least for the Piedmont of North Carolina. Steve AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you in 73.